Welcome back to Life with Daily. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Daily. Today I have my little brother here, Jagger from Jagger Rain Gaming with me. Bye! Today we're going to be making no-bake cookie and cream bars. And with my favorite Oreos! And even my favorite marshmallows, but at least the big marshmallows instead of the small ones. You only need 3 ingredients. Here's what you need. See, I don't know if I like the big marshmallows anymore.
Ouch! Ouch!
The next step is you'll need to ask an adult for help to melt the butter and marshmallows together. And while you're waiting for them to do that, you can have a little snack. Shh. Next, pour your cookies into the butter and marshmallows. Pour the whole thing. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, did you see what those marshmallows were doing? They were like rising. Now you mix it all together. Or this one. You guys, this is very gooey. And it will look like this. But it's also very gooey. And like, it looks like, a little, it looks like some melted snow. Snow that melted inside of dirt. Next, you need to get a pan. And then spread it on your pan. Okay guys, it's time for our favorite part. And I have Jagger from Jagger Rain Gaming.
I'm funny.
And Jace from Guitars Gaming. Gaming Guitars. Well, let's just get started. Okay, here's your piece, Jagger.
Okay.
You like?
Also, guys,
for me. Okay, guys, let's taste in 3, 2, 1. Go on, Jace.
It's stuck. Very chewy.
This is the best cookie I've ever had in my whole entire unicorn life.
It's kind of like
I like it. I like it.
like brownie, like a Brazilian brownie.
It kind of tasted like Domino's brownies, right? Mama, do you want one?
So it's very sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I think the sweet is. I think the sweet is from the marshmallows. Wait, I just forgot what I was gonna say.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and give us thumbs up, and turn on notifications. And then I'll see you guys next time on Life with Daily. Bye!
Bye bye. Bye bye.
If you like this video,